Understanding Close-up on a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, close up on. This phrase is widely used in both everyday conversations and professional settings, so understanding its meaning and usage is key for English language learners. Let's dive in. Close up on is a phrase that originated from photography and filmmaking. It refers to focusing on a specific subject closely, making it the main point of attention. In a broader sense, when someone says, close up on, in a conversation, they mean to draw attention to a particular topic, detail, or aspect of a larger discussion. It's like zooming in with a camera, but with words. To better understand how close up on is used, let's look at some examples. In a meeting, someone might say, let's do a close-up on the budget details. This means they want to focus specifically on discussing the budget. In a classroom, a teacher might say, close up on Chapter 4, everyone. Here, the teacher is directing the students' attention to Chapter 4. A common mistake learners make is using close up on in a physical sense, like asking someone to move closer. Remember, it's about focusing attention, not physical distance. Another misunderstanding is using it for broad topics. Close up on is best for honing in on specific details within a larger topic. Be specific. Use it when you want to highlight a particular point. Know your audience. Ensure that the listeners are familiar with the broader topic before zooming in on a detail. Pair with visuals. If you're presenting, use visual aids to emphasize the close-up part. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, close up on, effectively in English. Remember, it's all about focusing attention on a specific point or detail. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.